perimeter. Perimeter. Just kidding. Perimeter. Okay? Who remembers what perimeter means just off the top of your head? Esther thinks she knows.
Distance around something.
The distance around something. So for example, this would be like saying this. I'm trying to figure out, I have my house, and in the back of my house, I want to put my dog a fence. Okay, so I'm going to try to draw this correct. Okay, that's my back of my house in the yard, okay? It's actually not a parallelogram. I'm just trying to do it the art way or whatever. Okay, so stay with me here, and I'm trying to figure out how much fencing I need. And I go out with my measuring tape, and I measure that it's from here to the back of the house to the place my yard ends is 5 feet. Okay, same on this side. From here to here is 5 feet. Okay, but the length of this fence is longer, and it is 10 feet long. Okay, and then I need to measure from here to here, and it's about 2 feet long. Okay, so I went to the store and I said, I need to buy some fence. How long does my fencing need to be? How much do I actually need to perform this problem, to perform this?
Just add the rest.
You would add all of it. So I need 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 10 is 20, plus 2. So I need 22 feet of wiring, I guess you would kind of say, if you were using those wire fences. I need 22 feet of that wiring to be able to have that in my yard, okay? All right, so perimeter, write down, perimeter is the distance around an object. Okay? The distance around. Okay? Now, let's look at this rectangle. Okay, 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? 16. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 3 plus 3 equals 16 centimeters. Very good. Now, sometimes Saxon will trick you, and they'll give you 2 numbers. And you'll think, okay, 5 plus 3, 8, this is 8 centimeters, but is that actually right? What is wrong?
Like, you didn't add the other 2 sides?
I didn't add the other 2 sides.
So the other 2 sides, if they were even, the 3 centimeter one would be on the other side.
Very good. You're exactly right. So this one says it's 3 centimeters. So this one is 3 centimeters, even though it doesn't say it. This is 5, so this is 5, even though it doesn't say it. Okay, so don't let them trick you.
Also, will they like make the shape weird and like
No,
different
no.
sizes?
They
No.
did that in the
Eventually
back
they
of the-
will, but not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. And we'll talk about that when it gets there. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, that's a triangle, and they're telling me that this is 30 millimeters, 30 millimeters, and 20 millimeters. What is my perimeter of this object? It's actually you. Tell me.
80.
80, yes. 30 plus 30 is 60, plus 20 is 80. 80 millimeters. Very good. All right, does everybody feel like they get it? All right, now they're even going to try to trick you even more, and they're going to ask you this. I have a square, not a rectangle. I have a square. What does that mean that it's a square?
All the sides are equal.
All the sides are equal. A square has all sides that are equal. Now here's what they tell me. They tell me that the perimeter is 20 millimeters, and they want to know how much each side is. Yes.
5 millimeters,
Why?
because 5 times 4 equals 20.
Yes. So basically what she did is, okay, if all the sides are equal, they need to all be the same number. And what number can I pick 1, 2, 3, 4 times that will equal 20? So you would get 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. Okay? So don't let them trick you. You're like, well, they didn't even give me a number. How am I supposed to figure this out? Okay? You're supposed to use your knowledge of what a square is, knowing that all 4 sides are equal, and then take that 20 and make sure you try to get 4 sides that equal that number. Got it? That is lesson 8.